Hi, I'm Sue. Welcome to What's Hot in the Kitchen. And today we're cooking Grandma Pearl's chicken with my friend Mary. Hello. We're going to have a good time cooking this recipe.
Okay, so to start off this recipe, we're starting off with 5 chicken breasts. These are bone in, but you can use bone out. You want to set your oven to 350.
We're placing our chicken in the oven until it's brown. Now as our chicken is browning, we want to go ahead and make our sauce. And our sauce consists of sour cream, cream of celery soup, and cooking sherry. It's calling for, but I'm doubling this recipe today because I'm cooking for a large family. And so instead of 1 cup of sour cream, I'm using 2 cups of sour cream. So 2 cups of sour cream, and then instead of 2 cans of cream of celery soup, I am using 4 cans of cream of celery soup. And then it calls for 2/3 cup of cooking sherry, but because I'm doubling, it's now 1.25 cups. And I'll stir that up real nice. Alright, now that the sauce is stirred and ready, we're going to check our chicken. It's been about 30 minutes now, and it looks like it's ready. Now we're going to spoon our sauce over the top of the chicken.
And you just want it a light colored brown. You don't want it to be too dark because it's still going to cook for another 1.5 hours.
Now we're going to place this back in the oven for 1.5 hours.
Alright, there's Grandma Pearl's chicken. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.